Well, good morning. Just got my black coffee on the go. Whew. I got this one, the DJI Mic Mini 2, now with a camera receiver. You can get this in a variety of bundle. There's the mobile receiver as well, but you cannot adjust gain with it, and it doesn't have its own power. It draws power from the port of the USB-C of your phone. First, I got that one, and I was thinking, did I make a wrong choice? So I drove back to the mall and got this instead, because this is a camera receiver, and there's also a USB-C with it as well, so I can plug into my phone, like my mirrorless camera if I had one in the future. And my bundle, it came with only one mic, and there's no carry case, but I would have loved a carry case for that. And the rest of the goodies, is pretty usable. DJI, they give you everything. And I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna try this out first with my iPhone 17. I'm gonna vlog using front camera, and when I switch camera, I'm gonna use the back as well. Also, I got this mini tripod, and the phone holder. I can extend it if I want to, which is very good. And here's the mic. See, this is the Mic Mini 2, and this is the receiver. It's the same receiver as the DJI Mic Mini 1. I tried to pair my Mic Mini with this thing. It still can pair, so you can pair both the Mic Mini and the Mic Mini 2. I got my Mic Mini right here. This is the version 1. I can still pair it with this new receiver as well. Actually, it's the same receiver as the Mic Mini 1, but the Mic Mini is different. As you can see here, the Mic Mini 2 is bigger, slightly bigger, but it's way thicker, as you can see, way thicker. Now, aside from the size difference, this Mic Mini 2 is still got like 11 ounces of one time while you use it. Also, the noise reduction, that's still low or high. And I really like the case here, it's transparent. The face of the Mini 2, you can just lift it up and change to a variety of colors DJI they got for sale. But my Mic Mini, it comes with a black face and a white face. And it snaps in back via magnet. And there's a clip here, which you can pull it off right away because it's magnetic. See the clip here? You can clip it to your shirt or your jacket. And at the back here, it's like magnetic. There's a magnet here as well. As you can see, you can like put it under your shirt with this magnet to lock the mic. Like this, see? Right, I'm gonna turn it on now. Just gonna put the receiver in here. As you can see here, it's a bit bulky, but it's lightweight. It's not gonna like damage your USB port or something. So no worries on that. If you get the mobile receiver ones, it's gonna be super low profile, but I don't really recommend that because it's too small, and I heard the voice quality is not as good as this camera receiver. And you can control everything via the DJI Mimo app, That's the settings. I got my Mic Mini 2, as you can see. It's in transmitter 2. It's transmitter 2 here. The light is on. The transmitter one, I think I connected it to my Mic Mini, so no biggie there. You got settings here, low cut, clipping control, noise cancellation via button. The noise cancellation via button, that's 2 levels. I'm gonna show you. See, it's still off. That's basic and strong. You're gonna have to double click the power button right here. Let me see, let me click it twice. See, it's on. If I click it twice again, it's going to be off. For the basic and strong, you must click here first. And when you toggle the power on off again, it's gonna be off. And then you could do it again, it's gonna be on, as you can see. I'm just gonna go to basic. Basic is low, strong is high. And if you want to connect another mic with this receiver, just gonna go here, right here. Just press and hold until it blinks a bit. See, now it blinks. Alright, I got my Mic Mini 1, Mic Mini 2 connected to the receiver. I'm going to turn my Mic Mini 1 off and just use the Mic Mini 2. Because of course this video is all about it. Let me mount my phone to this tripod and I'm gonna drive. I'm going to a park. There's a mountain view, to test like vlogging with this Mic Mini 2 and the camera receiver. Right now my Mic Mini noise reduction is at low, basic. Let me know what the sound quality sounds like. I think it's good. By the way, I'm using the rear camera, the main camera of my regular iPhone 17. And for the camera app, I didn't use the stock ones. I used Final Cut Camera, of course from Apple. You can download it in the App Store. You can control a lot of settings than the default one. I highly recommend it. Yeah, we're gonna head to see the mountain view, take a walk, do some walk, and later have some lunch. I'll see you when we arrived. Using my iPhone 17 as a camera for vlogging. Now I'm using the selfie camera. Yeah, I like it. The screen is quite big. I can see myself very well. Yeah, and my noise reduction is off now, just to let you hear the surroundings, Yeah, I switch to the back. Just let you see what I'm doing right here. Yeah, for the selfie stick, the tripod that I use is from a company for Ulanzi. It can stretch and you can tilt the head as well. Also the phone holder, yeah, I think it's from Ulanzi as well, but it's quite an old tripod already. I bought it like a few years ago to use with my GoPro 10, like 4 years already, this selfie stick. I think there's a newer ones which is better than this. Yeah, I'm gonna put the links for the phone holder and the mini tripod in the description for you if you're interested. Or you can just handheld your phone while vlogging, but I don't think it's that convenient because your hand might block the lens or something. And you got this receiver popping up at the bottom. It's gonna be hard to hold and you need a selfie stick or a mini tripod. But yeah, it's a good setup if you don't like big cameras or you don't want other stuff, just your phone. You can just have this camera receiver and the Mic Mini 2. Camera app is Final Cut Camera. As you can see to my right, you can adjust the settings. That's like autofocus and like white balance. You can like fix white balance. I can change white balance. I'm just gonna set it to auto for now. And exposure, you can adjust the exposure, as you can see. I'm just gonna leave it. Oh yeah, you can adjust the shutter speed, ISO as well. Yeah, so pretty good. And you can shoot like up to 4K if you would like, and the frame rate you can adjust more than the default camera app. I usually shoot like 4K 50 frames per second. This app allows me to do that, which is nice. Yeah, if you want to be more stealthy, this Mic Mini 2 can go under your shirt as well. I got the magnet here. I usually don't use the clip, so I just took it out. I can just put my Mic Mini under my shirt and the magnet here. Voila, very low profile, and I'm loving it. So why do I prefer this camera receiver rather than that small mobile receiver? It's got a lot to it. That mobile receiver, it pulls power from your phone USB-C port. I think it's going to drain the phone battery even more. So I got this camera receiver instead, which have its own power. You just charge it. is better for me in my opinion, and the sound quality is better too. In case you're wondering where I am, this is where I am, and here's the view as you can see here. Very lovely. Yeah, and my noise reduction is off right now. You can hear insects and like the car drove by me just now. So if you plan on vlogging with your mobile, you know, especially iPhone or Samsung, you can try this one out, this Mic Mini 2 and the camera receiver. I think it's a win-win because if you buy this camera receiver, you can use it with other cameras as well, not just your phone, you know. And it's very cheap too, in my opinion, and it works well, you know, DJI products. I should leave right now, and yeah, I think it's time for lunch. Alright, now I'm on DJI Mic Mini 2, noise reduction off, and there's cars coming by, driving by. Let me turn my noise reduction on. Now it's noise reduction low. You can hear it. And this is off. And this is on. Yeah, I'm going to switch to high in the setting. Let's see. Noise reduction, strong, still on. Now let's turn it off. On. Off. Yeah. You can hear the difference. On. Yeah. Okay. One thing better about walking with iPhone rather than an action camera is you can go near the food. There's some eggs right here. That's it for my review about the Mic Mini 2 with the camera receiver. If you enjoyed, please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.